Watching the morning slipping through. Watching the morning slipping through the blind.
I just turned a pop music into heavy metal using AI. You can do this with any song, any genre, and I'm going to show you exactly how step by step. So by the end of this video, you'll have your own custom remix that you can share anywhere you want. And we'll be using Suno AI to create that. So if you don't already have an account, go to suno.com and click on this sign up button and choose one of these options to create an account. Once you sign in, you'll land on this page right here, and I am going to go into the create section, which you can find in the sidebar right here. Now here you have two options to create a song. Either you can choose the simple one where you just have to describe the song, like what style do you want, or you can use the custom option which has more functionality as well as added options. So I'm going to be using the custom one, and now is the time to select the song that you want to remix. So you have three options for the songs. Either you can use a pre-made song which you have in your workspace right here, or you can upload an audio from your device, and the third option is to record an audio right now. So I'm going to be using one of my previous songs. You can always upload or record your audio. So for now, I'm going to select the song that I want to remix, which is this one right here, and go to the three dots option, click on this remix/edit button, and then select the cover option. And check this out, the song has been added as well as the lyrics for the songs have been mentioned right in this lyrics box. I did not add them, they were auto detected by the audio that was added. So if you want, you can even go ahead and tweak these lyrics, and you also have the ability to tweak them using this button right here, where you can select the edit lyrics option and you can enhance the lyrics by mentioning what you want to change, like make it sound something, and you have the option to write a full song as well. But as we are doing a remix, I'm not going to change the lyrics. Instead, I'm just going to change the style of my music. So here you can add in the style that you want to add to your music, and if you don't have any idea, you have bunch of options down here which you can choose from, and then it's really simple. Just click on this add button and it will be added to your styles. So these are the styles I've added, which is pop rock, male singer, electric guitar, and techno. Now I'm going to click on this one button on top, so it will enhance my prompt for the style. And take a look, it is completely changed and it has given a great description of exactly how I want my music to be. Next, you can simply go ahead and click on this create button to start the creation of your audio. But if you want, you have some advanced options here, like the vocal gender. So I want to change it to male because I added that in my styles as well. And here you can even automate the lyrics mode and change the weirdness, style influence, and audio influence. But these three settings are only available for the pro members. So if you're using a free version, you might not have the access. But let's get into creation so you can see the beautiful results it gives. So click on this create button and it won't take it more than 30 seconds to start generating the audios. Like you can see, they're already loading. While those are loading, let me give you a little glimpse of exactly what the original sound was. So here we go.
Floating ducks counting borrowed time. Slowly.
And now our results are ready and you can see we have both our audios. So let me show you what it came up with. So here we go.
Watching the moon spin through the blinds. Floating.
Okay, that was a total turnaround and it's crazy. Now, if you're not happy with your first version, no worries at all. You can regenerate it as many times as you want, play around with the style as well as lyrics to create a suitable song for you. As Suno AI gives more than enough credit even in the free plan for you to experiment around different style and music. But if you're satisfied with your result, you can go ahead, click on this three dots and select the download option, and here you can select the format in which you want to download your audio. You even have other options where you can use the now created audio as the base. And if you go into remix, you'll have the extend option, which will let you create an extension version of your already existing audio. So it goes the same way. If we go to the extend option, we'll have our audio right here, and you can select what part of audio do you want to keep and which part do you want to recreate. So if you want to keep the whole song, you can click on the select all and it will keep the whole song. Now you'll have the lyrics, and you can even change the style. And if you just want to extend it, you can simply remove the lyrics and keep the same style, and it will generate a music tone instead of lyrics. So I'm going to leave that up to you whether or not you want to extend your song, because I'm happy with mine and I've already downloaded it, ready to send it off to my friends. So now you know how to remix any songs using AI in just few minutes. So go try that out right now and pick your favorite song, pick a wild genre, and see what happens next. Drop a comment and tell me what you created. And if this was helpful, hit a like and do subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.